Let's check in with what people are asking on social media. Yo-Yo and Vanessa.
All right. First one comes from a VIP Brad Squad member. Remember, if you ever want to put in your questions anytime throughout the day, anytime during the weekend, and try and get your question answered before anybody does during social media check-in, all you have to do is join the VIP page. It's so simple. All you have to do is go to Facebook, go in the search engine and put Brad Squad. You will see it's a group that you have to request to join, and we will add you in. All right. First one is from our VIP member, Oscar, saying, if I got an RFE for my I-130 application saying I need to provide more evidence to prove that my spouse and I are ready to establish a life together here in America, what is USCIS asking me for in regard for proof?
Proof that you're in a real relationship with them. So pictures together, financial documentation together. If you're in another country, your text messages, your emails, proof of telephones, proof that your spouse is maybe supporting you or vice versa, or your social media, or your spouse is flying to visit you. Things that show you're in a real relationship.
Moesha Smith on Facebook, also a Brad Squad VIP member. My friend is a U.S. citizen. She has turned 21 and wants to file for her mom, who is also living in the U.S. How long would that process take?
About a year.
Nenny Wrecker, another VIP Squad member. If I have my EAD and I'm working, can my income be combined with my spouse's to meet the affidavit of support income requirement?
Not unless you've been working legally for the last 10 years. So you would need a second affidavit of support from somebody else.
Edgar Ben Oniyoku, also a Facebook Brad Squad VIP member. How long does it take to get an interview after a case is documentarily qualified for immediate relatives in Nigeria?
The good question. Right now, there's such a backlog. I wouldn't be surprised if it takes 6 weeks. I wouldn't be surprised if it takes a year.
Nora Jagdio, another VIP member, asking, if I overstayed on the F1 visa, what can I do now that I'm in the U.S. out of status?
Well, just like anybody else, you're undocumented. We got to figure out a way that you become eligible for a green card.
Bow Now on Facebook. If my wife filed the I-130 for me in May of 2020 with my asylum case was pending, can we have the I-130 application expedited for humanitarian reasons?
Unlikely.
Charles M. on YouTube. I'm an asylum seeker and have been here for 6 years. My case is still pending. I've been employed for 5 years. I pay my taxes and have no criminal records. If the new immigration bill passes, what will I be eligible for? Lawful prospective immigrant status or a green card?
Lawful prospective immigrant status.
Sugar K on YouTube, who also sent us $5. I got married in July of 2020.
I just want you to know, but she said $5. She deserves to get her question asked, right? I better give her a good answer for the $5, right?
Right.
Right. Make it good, Brad.
Yes. Cheers for a cup of coffee. Thank you very much.
So I got married in July of 2020. My husband is currently trying to adjust his status. I'm on Section 8. Should I add him to the housing?
No, actually being on Section 8 is a double negative. It actually makes your case for him perhaps have a problem with the poverty guidelines. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.